Worcestershire? Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcestershire?
I-flash lang naman sa baba.
Yeah. So hi, it's Chef Patrick ko. So we're doing a pasta dish. It's our all-meat bolognese. I like using penne with pasta dishes that has more sauce, since the host can absorb a lot of sauce. So when you eat it, it's really flavorful and very nice. So we're putting our pasta into our boiling water. Huwag siya nagbukal, pero sige na lang. So we're cooking this for around 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. After we just drain it, you can rinse it with cold water or put it in ice to stop it from cooking. Mahalin pa ni, if ever I sell this. So we're now making our sauce. We're gonna put olive oil. We have to sear our meat. So we have regular ground beef. So we're gonna add our chorizo next. We're gonna add our garlic afterwards. So you don't add your garlic together with your onions. So we're gonna add our pasta. And I'm not sure how to say it. Worcestershire? Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcestershire?
I-flash lang naman sa baba.
Yeah.
Worcestershire.
Next, but not the least.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Last but not the least, I dili day to next, no? Last but not the least.